Blow it out.
Oh!
Yeah.
Yeah.
You gotta go to school for something like that. Oh. It's like I feel light.
You feel that? Hey guys, at the Clerge, your DMV chiropractor, and I'm here today with Denarian. All right, so Denarian, we were taking a history, and basically you told me that you do a lot of driving, right? So you're having a lot of stiffness, aches, and pains, especially lower back, mid back, and some stiffness in the neck, upper region, right? So give me some information. How long has this been going on?
For a while.
Okay, so it's been.
But it'll be like on and off. Like sometimes it'll stop hurting, and I'm like, dang, I feel okay. But then it just always come back.
Okay.
So like every couple months, I'll be hurting.
And then you told me even like in the morning sometimes.
Yeah, in the morning I can't move. Like my lady got to help me get up. I can't. Yeah. I just feel like
you're just tight.
I'm just tight. Like I feel.
Yeah, you got a physical job just like me.
Yeah.
Because you're like an HVAC specialist, right? Yeah, and I do a lot of physical things too. You know, like stretching people, adjusting. To do all these adjustments, you know, it really takes a toll on your body. Right. You know, so at the end of the day, I'm no good. But I get adjusted and do the treatment, so it helps. You know. All right, so I want to see how you're moving first, okay? But before we do that, posturize, okay? How you're sitting, not too bad, okay? But we want to kind of correct it and kind of bring you more of an upward position, okay? And what you can do is get a cushion, lumbar cushion when you're driving. That way it'll help stabilize your lower back and kind of, it'll bring you back in that posture that you want, okay? So that'll help. And we talked about your sleeping pattern, and sleeping position, I should say. You sleep on your back, but you just end up where you end up. Okay, I got you. All right. So let's have you stand up. What I want you to do first is do bend forward for me. Try to touch both feet. Let me know how that fits. That's tight already? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Where do you feel it? I know you feel it in your hamstrings. You feel it in the lower back also? Right here. Okay, I see. Right in here. All right, let's have you go ahead and stand up for me. All right. So that motion was a bit uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Let's have you face this direction. Both arms up. Rotate to the right. Rotate to the left for me. How's that?
I can feel it.
That's tight? Okay, let's go to the other side. That's tight as well? Okay, all right. Let's have you go side to side for me. So I'm gonna have you do this motion. You feel, so you're tight all over.
Yeah, that's why. I can't. Even when I'm at work, like I gotta force myself like this.
I see.
I kind of just do it. I'm like, man, this is why I get paid. So, you know, I gotta
do it. Yeah. I mean, you got it. Right.
I'm like, man, I be hurting though. Like going under them crawl spaces. I be hurting.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. By the time you get home, you're done.
I'm done.
I got
that's
you.
it. For what I did, I'm done.
Okay. All right, have a seat. Let's take a look at your head and neck movement. All right, so what I'll have you do, I'm going to have you look down like this. How's that?
That's not too bad.
That's not too bad? Okay, let's have you go back and look back. Any tension?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit.
No, that's just like talking about it.
Talking about it, right. I got you. All right, so the next movement, let's have you rotate. So look, you're going to do this and this, but I'll tell you when, okay? Okay, let's go ahead and rotate to the right. And to the other side. How's that?
It's a little stiff.
A little stiff? Okay. Last movement, let's have you laterally flex. So you're gonna do this and you're going to do that. Okay? But I'll tell you when. We're gonna do this side first. So let's laterally flex to the right. Good. And to the other side. How's that? Some tension?
Yeah.
Some tension. This area here. Okay. All right. So let me have you on your stomach for me. I am going to apply pressure because I know, so your lower back and that mid back, that's your basically the area you're having most of the issues with, right? Mm-hmm. I'm applying pressure to that lower back. That's uncomfortable. So
do what you gotta do.
Pressure here.
Mm-hmm.
That's tight.
Mm-hmm.
Pressure. All that is tight.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So we're going to stretch you out first, okay? Mm-hmm. And then we'll do some soft tissue mobilization for that mid back, lower back area. Okay. And then we'll get you adjusted, okay? And I'll show you what to do as far as like when you're stretching and things like that, okay? All right. That's uncomfortable already? All right. I'm gonna apply pressure. Take a deep breath, blow it out. Relax your body. There you go. Good. Again, deep breath, blow it out. Relax. Don't tense up, just relax for me. How does that feel? That's all right? Okay. Let's do that again. Deep breath. Relax, you're tensing up. Relax your body, blow it out, relax. Okay, good. Now, you can do this on your own by just basically pulling both legs over you. Okay? And then what you'll do, you can have your wife come in and apply pressure. Okay? And that should actually feel pretty good. But you gotta let your body go though. Okay? There you go. Good. Perfect. All right. And you'll drop the leg. Now, the next thing we'll do it with a foam. Okay? So I'm actually gonna put this underneath your lower back. So there you go. Good. And a little bit more. Right there. Perfect. All right. So that should actually feel pretty good.
Yeah, that feel good. Oh, man.
And now we're gonna do the same stretch, but this time you have the foam, which is creating a height difference. Okay? So both legs coming up for me. Good. All right. So you can pull. Take both hands, pull them towards you like that. There you go. Good. Okay, how does that feel?
It feels good.
Actually, feels pretty good? All right, one more time for me. Take a deep breath, blow it out. Good, you gotta relax, don't tense up, relax. There you go, good. One more time. Deep breath, blow it out. Don't tense up, relax. Perfect, okay, good. All right, so I want you to do that stretch, okay? Especially since most of your issues are right there in that lower back. That'll create, it'll decrease that tension. Okay? But how did it feel though?
That felt good.
Felt pretty good?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Let's have you come up. What I'll have you do is just bend forward without bending your legs, okay? So you're just doing this motion. You're gonna feel it here. And you'll feel it in the lower back as well. Yep. And just let gravity do its work so you don't have to strain, just kind of lean forward and just let gravity take its course. There you go. Good. And let's have you come back up. Okay, perfect. So you remember those two so far? The one where you're pulling your legs back and the one when you're doing this. The next one, pretty simple. You're gonna have one hand on the hip. This arm is up. And you're going to the opposite direction like this. There you go. Good. Yep. You're gonna feel it right in here. Yep. Good. And good. This arm is up. We're going to the opposite side. There you go. Good. You're gonna feel it here. You're gonna feel it right in here. Okay? All right. That's good. One more time for me. Let's do that again. There you go. Perfect. Good. Yep. All right. Good. Okay. So 3 stretches for that lower back area. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stretch your hip flexors. Okay. Because I feel like with your motion, hip is a little off as well. And after that, we'll stretch the upper part. Okay. Basically, what I'll do is this leg. I'm going to bend this leg. What I want you to do is bring this leg off the table, just like that. You're gonna put this foot against me, just like that. Okay, and I'm going to apply pressure. All right, take a deep breath. You feel that, right?
Yeah.
Deep breath, blow it out. Pressure. Good, 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 good. One more time. Deep breath. Blow it out. Pressure. Good, 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 good. Again, deep breath. Blow it out. Pressure. Good, 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 good. Perfect. How was that? You felt that, right? Mm-hmm. All right. Same thing on the other side. Now, this thing's coming off the table. Just like that. This thing's going against me. Good. Yep. There we go. And I'm going to apply pressure. Deep breath. Blow it out. Good, 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 good. Take a deep breath for me. Blow it out. Good, 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 good. Again, one more time. Deep breath. Blow it out. Perfect, 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 perfect. Good. Okay. All right. All right. Now, you're tight everywhere.
Yeah. I'm telling you, man.
Oh, man. All right. Let's go ahead and stretch your adductors. So, now, what I want you to do is just drop your leg. Let that leg drop. Just let it drop, just like that.
Oh.
That's as far as that leg goes.
Yeah. That's it.
That is super tight. Yeah.
That's it.
All right. I'm going to apply a little bit of pressure. We won't do too much since you're so tight.
Oh.
Right there.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Okay, one more time. Drop that leg. Let that leg drop for me. Good. Apply a little bit of pressure. Good. Let that leg drop. Good. And I'm going to apply pressure. Pressure, 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 pressure. Perfect. Okay. Let's do the other side. You gotta move more.
Yeah. I be moving.
Well, you move, but
I be touching my son and everything.
You're moving because of work. Like you have to like stretch more. Let your joints move. You know, like you move because you're working.
Yeah, but I need to move.
Yeah, your move gotta be focused on certain areas. You know, like if you're stretching your back, you know, your legs, your, you know, upper extremities. So drop that leg for me. Good. I'm gonna apply pressure. That's tight. Yeah. All right, bring that leg up again. Just drop it for me. Just relax. Applying some pressure. There you go. Good, 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 good. Perfect. Okay. All right. I'm gonna have you sit up for me. Go ahead and sit up. There you go. Good. You move like you're my age, man.
That's
I'm 43. You're 29.
crazy.
All right. You're going to act like you're reaching for both feet for me. And I'm going to apply pressure. Are you ready? You're going to feel it right here, and you feel it in your lower back. Okay? Good. Let's do that again. Take a deep breath. Blow it out. There you go. Good. One more time. Let's take a deep breath and blow it out. There you go. Perfect. Okay. Now we're gonna stretch the neck. Okay. Stay in the position you're in. Applying a little bit of pressure. You'll feel it right in here. If it gets too tight, let me know. Let's do that again. If it gets too tight, let me know. Good. One more time. There you go. Good. Let's go to the other side. We're doing the same thing. Good. Let's do that again. If it's too tight, let me know. Good, 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 good. I can feel you resisting, so that's tight. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. One last time. Relax, relax, relax. Good. Okay. Let's go back to the middle. All right. Okay. So if this gets too painful, you let me know. Okay. If it pinches your skin, you let me know as well. That's tight. You can scream if you want. We won't judge you. You're tight everywhere, man. Relax, deep breath, blow it out. Relax. Good. Yes, sir. Deep breath, blow it out. Oh, yeah. That was tight right there. Yeah. How bad is that? Very uncomfortable?
It ain't uncomfortable. It's just like I can't control the twist.
Alright. Yes, sir. Relax, relax, relax. Relax. Relax, relax, relax. Relax. Relax, relax, relax. Good. Huh?
I need to get that.
You need you say you need it, huh?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Just taking out all that stiffness and tightness, and muscle tightness you're feeling. Yes, sir. Relax, relax. Okay, all right. How does that feel? It's tight.
Yeah.
All right. Now we're going to do the cupping. So once we do the cup, you'll feel like a suction your skin, okay?
Okay.
If it's uncomfortable, you let me know, all right? But like I said, it'll leave some circles, okay? But they do go away in like a few days, okay? All right. Is that okay or is that uncomfortable?
That's good.
That's good? All right. Gonna use another one. Put one here. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. This off. Put one here. All right. And I'm going to do two more. All right. Okay, so this will go on for a few minutes, okay? And then once I take it off, I'm actually going to do just some light massages to kind of help decrease that muscle tension you're having.
Okay.
Then after that, we'll adjust you, okay?
Okay.
All right, so just stay there and just relax for me. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take these off, okay? All right. It's just some lotion.
You know, you never rubbing on me.
It's all right. You're at a doctor's office. You'll be all right. All right. You can scream if you want. Deep breath, deep breath. Relax. Good. Deep breath. Relax. Good, 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 good. Deep breath, relax. Good. Super tight. Relax your body, relax, relax. Relax, relax. All right, you'll feel good when you leave. Right here.
Shit.
Relax, relax, deep breath for me. Blow it out. Good. Again, deep breath. Blow it out. Deep breath. Blow it out. Good. Relax, deep breath, blow it out, relax. Good. Deep breath, relax. Good, 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 good. Okay. All right. You should probably feel a little bit better already, even though we didn't even adjust you yet.
I do know.
All right. Let's have you go ahead and come up for me. Go ahead and sit up. All right. All right.
Oh, man.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Feel a little bit better already, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, man.
So now, we're going to start with the adjustments.
That's about. Yeah, I feel a little bit better.
You feel a little bit better already, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right.
I gotta get that little thing
The stick?
Mm-hmm.
You've never been to a chiropractor before, right? Well, I'll have you do, I'll walk you through it, but you gotta relax as much as you can, okay?
No, I'm trying.
You're trying? Okay. I'll,
Automatic.
yeah, I'll walk you through it, don't worry. I'm just checking your range of motion so I can see what I need to do first, okay? Start up top and then I'll work my way down, all right? Let me have you sit towards the edge of the table. Good, I'm bringing that table down. All right, so let's have you relax for me. Good. Now, you can actually bring your head up. I'm gonna adjust the upper section, which is the occipital area. What I'll have you do is just rotate your head like this. Drop your head in the palm of my hand. Good. Good. Relax.
Oh, shit.
Any pain?
No.
It should feel pretty good though.
Yeah, that felt good. Yeah, God dang.
You didn't. You didn't expect that, right? Yes, sir. Let's go to the other side. All right. Now that you know it's not painful, you can relax a little bit more. All right. Same scenario. Find your occiput. Rotate your head. Drop your head in the palm of my hand. Good. I want you to relax. You're tensing up. Relax. Rotate your head and neck. Let me know if you feel stiff like you were before. Feel pretty good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that felt good.
Feel good?
Yeah, that felt good right there.
Yes, sir.
Is it I just still feel, I don't know, my body, but I feel way better.
Way better, yeah.
I feel a lot more loose than
Right.
first. Yeah.
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 All right.
Oh yeah. I feel good.
All right. So next adjustment, I'm gonna focus on the upper back area, right here. Actually, let me do the lower thoracic first. All right. So now I'm going to take your hands, interlock them behind your head. Good. Good. Perfect. I'm gonna bring you back.
Oh shit.
Good. Just relax for me. There you go. Good. Take a deep breath. Blow it out. Oh! Oh! How did that feel? Feel pretty good? Come up. Yes, sir.
Damn. Yeah.
Yeah.
You gotta go to school for something like that. Cause you know, like,
Right.
damn.
Yes, sir.
Them the cracks I be trying, like,
Trying to get, huh?
yeah, I be trying to get them. I can't nag. Oh my, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Yeah.
Now, I want to get that upper thoracic. So, focusing on this one. For this one, I'm actually going to have you stand up for that one.
Okay.
Let's have you spread both legs from me apart a little bit more. Both arms are coming up. I am going to reach in, take both of your hands, put it on top of my hands, and unlock your fingers. Good. Yeah, perfect. Squeeze your elbows. I'm going to bring you back. Keep squeezing them harder. Oh! Yes, sir.
Oh!
Yep. Yes, sir.
Oh.
Move around. Let me know.
It's like I feel light.
You feel
Yeah, like you taking.
pretty good? All right. Now, let me have you on your sides. Good. Perfect. Head goes right in the middle of the groove. Cross your arms like that. Bring your body closer.
One of these hands on your.
Huh?
That's the one.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's the one right here.
yes, sir.
Let's see.
This leg, we're gonna bend this leg. This leg, keep it straight. I'm gonna bend this leg. Good. What I want you to do is relax. You won't fall off the table, but you gotta relax your body. Relax, I got a little twist you. Relax. Oh! Yes, sir.
That's what I need.
Pretty good? You needed that one.
Oh man. Oh. Come on. Yeah, God.
Yes, sir. All right, good. All right. I'm gonna bring your body just a little bit closer to the a little bit more. Perfect. All right. Reach in this time. Gonna bend this leg. Good. I'm gonna bring it all the way. You gotta relax though. Good. Relax your body for me. Good. Relax. Yep. Not too bad on that one. Just a little bit of a popping. Well, we got the upper lumbars on that one.
I saw that though.
Yep. I'm sure you did. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right.
Yeah.
We got one more. I'm actually going to have you on your stomach. So, but before you do that, let's come up. I want you to move around for me. Move around. Let's have you bend forward. Let me know how you feel. Oh, you touch it almost like the floor
I
now.
want to get the floor.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Remember how stiff you were at the beginning?
Yeah, I couldn't even touch the
Couldn't
floor
even-
first.
yep.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
That's pretty good.
Oh yeah. So we. Yeah, I feel a lot better. Oh yeah, damn. Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
All right.
That's it right there.
Just have you on your stomach. I want you to just relax for me. Good. Relax, relax, relax. Yes, sir. Relax. Yes, sir. There it is. Yes, sir. Yep.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
You came in here super stiff.
I was that. I was that. For real. Oh man.
Yes, sir. All right. Let's have you sit up.
I feel better though.
Do one more thing for you.
Oh, I feel better though.
Yes, sir.
I feel better though.
That's
I
good.
feel better though, yeah.
Have a seat.
I feel better though.
All right. Now, I know you use your hands a lot as well, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I want you to just relax. Kind of like gently pull against me a little bit. Good. Relax.
Oh.
Relax.
Oh.
Good. All right. Just move that hand around. Good. All right. Perfect. Gently pull against me a little bit. Good. Relax.
Oh.
Yes, sir. There it is. All right. Move around. Pretty good.
Yeah.
All right. You should feel much better.
I do feel better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Compared to when you first came in.
I ain't feel like this was wow. Yeah, this feel good.
So now we got more stuff to do for you. We're going to do. You already did the electrical muscle stimulation and the table. So now the ladies are going to take over and they're going to do massages. Okay. For the whole neck, upper, lower back area.
Okay.
Okay. So you should feel like Superman living here today.
Alright.
Not to say it's not going to come back because you're always driving or working.
No,
you know.
yeah, I'm not
But
working.
I typically see my patients every 2-3 months, but with your situation, it might be like once every 45 days. Something like that. Right.
She gonna make me come anyway.
All right.
Yeah, I'll be it.
Let's go back.
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm.